Hi guys, today we're in bird time. What's this? Anna's hummingbird. Oh yeah, Anna's hummingbird. Well, I could have sold that. Go to this and sell this and sell this. Do you know why I got these birds? But I sell it for no reason. It's just because I'm trying to be the next nanny. 3. Which gives you 10 gemberries. What is that? Who? I'll see you. Alphabet and okay. Let's read to him. Hi guys, this is my
What are you doing?
Yeah, I forgot this notification. It's not a notification, it's just this. Yeah.
Hi, how's everything doing? On break time.
Yeah, everything's good. I just want to see my how many gemberries do I have? Turns out I have 0. Wait. Did I forget about you? Yes, I almost did forget about you. Well, I think we can't even do anything. No, we can't do one of them. It took so long. Okay, now we're back in behind. Okay. Let me get this request. Okay, so this and this and this. Only one. Take this and this. What is this now? I needed 3 of this. I needed 3 of this. Why did I get any? Oh, we're doing something. Golden door for the new Lord. Now we got the other door. Let's see how many rewards we need to go through. So I need to go to this, and then now this is now this new bird. Which is not this one, it's this one. We show the face. The forest looks so alive these days. Could a bird check out the growth for our neighbor forest? I think he wants a growth. This is a growth now. I think this is a growth. Let me see in the book. Yeah, this is a growth. So let me give him. Okay. Okay, wait. Here we go. You could use that bird, but they're unlucky to see that logo. So I chose little one. Look at this. Windy. Look at this. Good. What of the weather? We have no gemberries. How do we get free gemberries? I want to get another Read the Mary. So, wait. European Beater. Does need this comment. Uncommon launch. You finished that one. That's a bird. Bird. What do I give that? What is this? Wonder. How many to medium? I'm not so small. What is this? Medium. LC. Large. Large. Legendary. LC is a common. Oh, what is that one? It's a common medium.
Yeah.
You're large and you're medium. My hair looks so calm. Not like the other guy where he just shows his hair. I'm not like that guy. Wait, I don't see what do they have. They still have this. I want a greater spirit. So I could get, I think the 100%, I don't know, nothing. I don't know why they did that. This is my little brother. Yeah. Should I feed? Yeah, I should definitely feed that one. What are you trying to do with little brother's tablet? I'm talking to you, sister. To sis. Why? Get new feathers. Get new feathers. I'm more like one with this one instead of this one. Goodbye. I have another one. Let me see, what do I get? It's time for some. I think I can buy another one, but it's sold out. There's only one. Why do I need a commitment when I already finished all the commitment? Let me see. No, you see all the birds. Here, no. Here! Commitment, not commit. I completely forgot, baby. I don't forget commitment. Can I buy one? I hope it really comes a commitment. Oh, wait, I already have this. Please. Why did I do that then? So what is that? Let me see that bird. It's a large and an uncommon. I think I already got an uncommon. Rarity, uncommon. Uncommon place. So now. I know there's gonna be a comment. Uncommon. Oh my god. Female bee hummingbird egg. Oh my god. What the heck? I guess we got an extra bird because we didn't get that one. Skibbity. In 1 hour. No, 2 hours. I meant to say. So this is a comment. Oh yeah, I saw in the comment. Commitment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, go away. 2, 1. It's called magical juice, not special juice. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Female bees hunger. Ah. Ew, I kind of smell something stinky. Kind of smells like a fart. Who made that fart? You little brother? What below you? You little brother? No, it's not me. It's obviously not me. It's obviously you because I smell it because you're the closest one. Hey, stop pushing everything! I just need 2 more. Why do I need 2 more? Why is he? I was just talking to my mom. That's why I say that. I'm not talking to you. I'm just talking to my mom. A guest came. His name is Sis. You cannot eat that. You can eat this. Number rush. Stop talking about number rush. I would know about number rush. With my magic powers, I go to what's life with my magic powers. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Poland. Bunch of life. Why do I look like that? I'm looking up when I'm literally looking on the tablet. How does that make any sense? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so oh my. Ew, how many poop did he just did? Okay, let me show you how many coins do I have? No, I mean silver. Here you go, his name is Silver. Silver, wait, let's see on him. Oh no. With my magic power. Okay, let's see. He's silver. He's red. He's 0 years and 0 months and 2 days, and he's right now. He's a little scared. Okay, let me get out with my magic. Okay. Wow. Just go like that. Oh my god, it's almost gonna be over. I think what mission? What mission? Get. Okay. Get. Okay. Let me see the total. Total nothing. Okay. Okay. Say bye. Bye.